No, you're not supposed to move.
Oh.
Just Tommy, I'm staring at my face. But Tommy, I'll go with the camera.
Yeah, that was tough.
This is my room in the Holiday Inn in Baltimore. I'm not sure where exactly, what's the name of the actual city. And just giving it a little tour, see. This is the bathroom. Yeah, it's, you know, general room, not all that appealing to me. I like a white room. I like a room more stately, you know, but it is still comfortable, at least it can be. So I just get in, put on all my bag and pan and thing. I have to press some clothes because I have church tomorrow morning first thing, and then after church is a banquet, so I have to press some clothes right away, so I'm not even an itch. Get something to eat and then start on the pressing. Yeah, but this is it, folks. This is it. All right, Baltimore. This is my view. I'm on the 6th floor and I'm just seeing trees. That's all I'm seeing on the outside, but it's nonetheless nice. And yeah, we're on our way to church. What the place name, Earl? Up here, so. The neighbor over there.
Neighbor over there?
Eh.
We are going to Hyattsville.
To where?
Hyattsville.
Hyattsville. Solid Rock Church over there, so. And we are go to one different church, but me just show the people them how up in foreign state. Cause Florida is not foreign. Florida is Kingston 13. Yeah. But me love the trees them. Yeah. The trees them. Yeah. When it comes to the autumn time, the trees them get very beautiful. So I'm looking at the trees and the landscape and them thing. You know, the only thing we have in Florida is wild bush and alligator. We don't have these trees. And lizard, the iguana lizard. Yes. The temperature is just about 50 degrees, you know, and hopefully it gets a little bit warmer in the day. But yeah, this is the whole of Maryland and them places. Yeah, foreign.
The man, and they gathered around him. And they started praying in Jesus' name. They started praying the prayer of faith. In Jesus' name, in the name of Jesus, get up and walk. Hallelujah, get up and walk. Get up and walk. You can walk in the name of, and so forth. They were just praying.
Good weekend. I'm so sorry I didn't get to vlog a lot because it was just too busy. But I spent this weekend, Saturday and Sunday in Washington DC, Baltimore, and the Greenbelt and different areas in Baltimore. It was just awesome. You know, I did what I had to do, and now I'm heading home. Yeah, on a practically empty flight. Look outside. Yeah, for a lot of the
and pull on the strap to tighten.
I want to get
to release, just lift the top flap of the buckle. Please keep your
empty flight. Yeah, plane empty from Baltimore, Washington DC, all the way back to Miami, Fort Lauderdale. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Yes, yes, I feel like a king. Even more leg room on JetBlue.